Okay, Melena, this is example 72.3 that you sent me. Says in a first class lever like a seesaw, the force varies inversely with the distance from the pivot point or fulcrum. On one side of the seesaw, a force of 10 newtons was applied at a distance of 3 meters from the fulcrum. In order to balance the seesaw, how far from the fulcrum must a 6 Newton force be placed on the other side? So here's your picture that they made you. This is your seesaw. There's 6 newtons of force being applied here and 10 newtons of force being applied here, and the distance is 3 meters. So your goal is to find the distance on this side. So because it says the force varies inversely with the distance from the pivot point, here's your pivot point here, that means that the greater the force, the smaller the distance. So here there's a greater force, so the distance is smaller. But here the distance is less than over here, so the force is less over here than it is over here. That means the distance is going to be bigger. So you're going to find what that is. So I redrew it here. So this side here, when you multiply those, it equals 30. So your other side of the equation has to equal 30 as well. So what you do is make an equation. You're going to multiply these two. I used x for the unknown distance here and made an equation. So 30 equals 6x, or 6x is 30. So then you just divide 6 by both sides, and you end up with the distance is 5 here.